In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off or on dashboard notifications on HubSpot. If you're using HubSpot for managing your operations, staying on top of notifications is crucial for keeping everything organized and efficient. Maybe you've decided to streamline your notifications, or perhaps you want to ensure you're alerted for specific updates. Whatever the case, this step-by-step guide will help you do just that. First up, you'll want to start by heading over to the HubSpot website. Simply open your preferred web browser and type in hubspot.com. Once the homepage loads, you'll see a variety of options to navigate through HubSpot's vast array of tools and resources. Here, your focus will be drawn to the top right corner where you'll notice the Login button. Give that a click. After successfully logging into your account, you'll find yourself on the HubSpot homepage. This is the central hub for all your activities and the starting point for where we want to go next. Once you're on the homepage, look for the settings option. Depending on your version of HubSpot, this might be represented as a gear icon somewhere at the top of the page, typically towards the right hand side. Go ahead and click on that to enter your settings dashboard. Now let's talk about notifications. Notifications in HubSpot are essentially updates or alerts that keep you informed about various activities within your dashboard. To personalize these alerts, you'll want to modify your notification settings. In the settings menu, you'll find a section labeled Notifications. Clicking on this will take you to a new page dedicated to your notification preferences. Within the notifications area, direct your attention towards the Dashboards section. Clicking on Dashboards will reveal all the notification settings related specifically to your dashboards. This is where you have full control over which notifications are enabled or disabled. To adjust these settings, simply toggle the switch next to each notification type to suit your preferences. If there are specific updates or alerts you find more beneficial, ensure those notifications are turned on. Conversely, if there are updates you find irrelevant or distracting, feel free to toggle them off. And there you have it, a straightforward way to manage your dashboard notifications on HubSpot. This simple yet effective customization can help boost productivity by tailoring alerts to align with your specific needs and work habits. Don't forget, as your projects evolve, you might want to revisit these settings to make sure they continue to serve your purposes well. Thank you for watching today's tutorial, and I hope you found it helpful. Adjusting your notification settings is a small step, but it can make a big difference in your day-to-day management of activities within HubSpot. Until next time, happy organizing.